Okay, folks, I got another one of these nice Oster Regency controlled power kitchen centers up for sale. You know, and these have an enormous number of different attachments that come with them. We've got the mixer and the blender carafe, and you can see what you see is what you get. Of course, I like to make these little videos demonstrating that it works. So here we go. You can hear that purr. I don't know if you can see the blades spinning in there, but they sure are. Spinning just fine. Okay, now I'll pause this and put on the other part. Okay, here we go. You can see the mixer on there. There you go, folks. It's working great. The pulse, the speed control, it's all about you. These are great setups. I know you're going to love it.